it seems like we as parents are better at triggering and escalating issues than bringing them down. Just by what we say and how, even the emotions our kids pick up from us. So what can a parent say to get kids to change unwanted behavior that we want, to avoid escalating those situations into a tantrum? Because they don't start as tantrums.
No, not always. No, not usually. In fact, they rarely do. Only when it's a big trigger, like, that kind of thing.
Yes.
But most parents, like you said, that point of you can kind of see it coming, right?
Yeah.
But there are parents that are they own their solution so much that they're not flexible enough to ride the wave as it's coming in, right? You can feel the energy wave coming, but if you hold firm, they're going to crash.
Yeah.
Okay. So I recommend, the thing is, as soon as you see it coming, there are trigger words. It's all the biggies. Stop. No, don't. It's wrong. No, thank you. That kind of thing.
Yeah.
Soon as those negative words come, because those are the first ones a lot of them learn the meaning of, because that's what parents say normally. If someone is coming at you, you're going to say no. It's automatic.
Yeah,
if you are emotionally triggered by your child's behavior, they throw something across the room, your first instinct is to say no. Don't stop, or something like that. Unfortunately, with kids, it's like gasoline on the fire. And you probably experienced this.
Oh, yeah.
So it's a challenge. You have to really think about this and do it. But what you have to do is think about these pop-up tantrums, which seem like pop-up tantrums, because when it gets, I always gotta have this analogy with the hill. As it goes up the hill, you can still pull it back. But when it goes over the edge, it's over the edge. There's a fire, okay? It's like a pop-up fire. And I use the same analogy: stop, drop, and roll, okay? So what you do is, the first thing you do, instead of saying stop, no, or whatever, what you want to do is you want to call out the problem. And so you can use an alert word that is not no, because the action, what you want to do is just stop the action, because it's going in direction, falling down, like the place you don't want it to be.
Exactly.
So you want it to stop first. You really want it to stop and redirect and turn around immediately. But remember, you don't have that kind of guideline unless you literally physically pick up your kid and haul them somewhere. And then that doesn't work to teach them. See, this stop, drop, and roll procedure will help you teach your child what to do when you and I are to the point where I'm not listening to you, you're not listening to me, we're not doing anything, it's not working, and you tilt, right?
Exactly. Oh yes, I remember the days.
You get to tilt, and instead of saying stop tilting, because think about it, if you're upset and someone says stop being upset,
that just makes you more upset. Yeah,
makes you more upset. So what you want to do is you want to let the child know that you are immediately joining them in their problem solving effort, because they got a problem. You say, my favorite is, you have a problem, right? And that's the first thing I say is, you have a problem. Because instead of I have a problem with you throwing your cup, right? The deal is, you have a problem. Your cup is empty. I wasn't coming fast enough. Whatever reason that cup got chucked across the room, you know what happened, or at least you have an idea, right? So again, you got to stop your energy from I'm upset about this cup to find out. You say, I see a cup flying, because that's the reality of the situation. It's not judged to be good or bad. It is, hello, everybody, pay attention to this right now. This is going on. And I want everybody to learn from this situation right now. Okay? Because we've got a learning situation. It's kind of like the siren on the fire truck. Stop, drop, and roll. Here comes the fire truck. Stop. There's a cup. You're climbing the cabinets. Spilled the water. There is a problem. So when we have a problem, it's not me against you. It's not me against you. It's us together. We have a problem. So we've got a problem together. We're going to go and try to solve this problem together. Your cup is empty and I didn't come fast enough, or you didn't know where to put it, or whatever. You got to say it out loud. So that's the stop. And the drop is drop your expectation, drop your whatever, and then drop these words that explain what it is.